Because again, counting specific characters in a cell. This is very interesting. It's a useful trick which enables us to count the number of times a specific character exists in a text string. And this technique makes Excel look to be a clever software. Remember, in word, you can be able to do the word count. And here, now you need to know again how to do it in Excel. Remember, you are doing this in any particular cell. Now, in this case, look about our text here. It says, I did not know I can understand Excel functions until I met the Vickers. Now, you want to know how many characters do we have in this kind of statement. Now, this is what you need to do. You need first to get the length of the whole length of the string. So in our case, our length is in of B6 because this one's in B6. Our statement is in B6. Then we subtract with the length of the ones less the spaces. Now, to remove those spaces is what is very key to us. So the formula uses first the length function to measure the length of the text. Then that is len B6. Then use the substitute function to remove the spaces from the text. Because you remember, this text have some spaces. Now we don't want to count the spaces, so you remove them. And you do using the function, the substitute function, substitute the function, all the spaces, you remove the spaces, or the spaces to empty spaces. That's the reason we have that first, and then we have this. Then you need to wrap the substitute function with the len function so that it gives us the length of the text without the spaces. Remember, the reason we are having this +1, that adding 1 to the answer, is to account for the fact that the last one will not have to be associated with the space during the counting. And therefore, the formula that we are having here, let it be 6, then subtract the length or in the substitute of the formula given here. Remember, I told you, if you don't follow me, then you'll not be able to see these kind of tips. Remember, in our case here, if you do the word count, we get 14. So our statement here is 14. Our text here is 14 characters, 14 ones. So remember to follow me if you really want to get these tips with us.